Hey, Clementine. This is Clementine sitting in her big girl chair. And she likes to read her book. Clementine, who's in that book? There's a mirror and there's the cutest baby. Who's the cutest baby? There it is. The cutest baby's the one in the mirror. Yes, she is. She's sitting in her big girl chair. Look at that, all by herself. Oh my goodness. She's all stuffed in there with her pajamas that are too big. Look at the cute baby again. Give me a smile. Give me a smile. You know you want to do it when you see that pretty baby. Ooh. Oh, wow, she's grabbing it. Look at that big girl. All those babies, but I think that you're the cutest. I see your face. I see the cutest face. There it is. Oh, no. Oh, Clementine just wants to say hi to everybody. Hi. We had a snowstorm last night, so we're inside. Hello, everybody. My name is Clementine. I have a strong neck and I have my big girl chair. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I am a very big girl. I am 13 weeks old.